Halo WhatsApp, balik lagi bersama gue Iksan Hardianto. Pada video kali ini gue ingin bukan mengajarkan sih, lebih tepatnya memberitahu ya bahwa kalian bisa loh memiliki Fusion 360 secara gratis tanpa crack dan 100% legal. Jadi kalian tidak perlu lagi tuh crack-crack. Nah, lagi pula itu juga mengurangi ini ya, hmm, bajakan ya. Kita jadi bisa menggunakan Fusion 360 tanpa melakukan crack atau pembajakan. Jadi ini ilegal. Ini adalah legal 100%. Oke, mau tahu caranya? Sebelum itu kita intro dulu ya, guys. Sebelum itu kita lihat dulu ya fitur dari Autodesk Fusion 360. Kalau ini sih fitur lengkapnya, guys. Untuk fitur lengkap kita bisa di autodesk.com produk Fusion 360 feature.
Now it's time to start designing. Where do you even begin? Well, Fusion 360 integrates freeform, parametric, sheet metal, direct, surface, and mesh modeling all in one package. Go ahead and use whichever modeling technique you are most comfortable with to get the job done. If you work with contractors or extended teams, you can even reference in their designs for a bottom-up assembly modeling approach. Also, reference in files from other CAD tools such as Inventor, SolidWorks, STEP, IGES, and so much more. Alternatively, Fusion 360's top-down assembly modeling approach allows you to effectively model components in context of the assembly. This unstructured modeling technique more closely matches the design process and allows the designers and engineers to spend more time exploring ideas and less time worrying about file management. Now see how all this works and more by watching the next videos.
Fusion 360's fully integrated manufacturing workspace connects design and engineering to your manufacturing process. Stay connected to your data with a cloud-enabled infrastructure that's accessible on a Mac, mobile, and PC. Cloud libraries for your post-processors, tools, and templates mean you always have what you need to get the job done. Consistency across operations, from 2D milling to simultaneous 5-axis, makes using Fusion 360 easy to learn and remember. But the manufacturing capabilities don't stop there. Fusion 360 also includes operations for 2D turning, work coordinate system probing, 3+2 and 4-axis milling, and 2D profiling. The modern 64-bit multi-core engine means toolpaths calculate quickly, so you can spend time where it counts. Advanced tools like rest machining, expressions, patterns, user-defined defaults, and an unlimited number of custom templates will take your manufacturing productivity to the next level. No matter what kind of operation you need, Fusion 360 includes a powerful stock simulation for verification and an extensive library of free and fully customizable post-processors to fit your needs. Fusion 360 is the complete design and manufacturing solution that gives you the capability to make anything.
With the growing need for new smart consumer products, designers require a collaborative design environment that includes professional electronic CAD capabilities. With Fusion 360 Electronics Workspace, the designer has all the necessary tools to design their circuit boards successfully. This is a workspace that consists of a schematic editor that supports multi-sheet designs that work alongside and in real time with the PCB editor. Tools for interactive manual routing, length matching, manufacturer rule checks are only some of the features you'll be able to use in your next design. PCB design modifications is possible in 2D or in a 3D environment. Completed designs are previewed and exported into a compatible manufacturing file. All this in Fusion 360.
Product Data Management, or PDM, is a solution to a problem created once engineers started to create an incredible amount of files. Keeping track of different versions and the relationships to revisions spawned the need for additional PDM tools. In many cases, end users are simply looking to have an easy-to-use, almost transparent data management process, and that's exactly what you get with Fusion 360. Fusion 360 creates versions of your design each time you hit save. Think about the last time you had to revert a model back to a shape you had 3 or 4 saves ago. With Fusion 360, you simply navigate to the version tab and you're right back to where you want to be. And to think, all of this data is stored in the cloud and can be viewed from a web browser anywhere in the world. Here I can see the conversations and red lines why design decisions were made throughout the design process. Not only that, but we can control who has access to which files to ensure our intellectual property is always safe. With Fusion 360, nothing is ever lost. What used to take an IT request to recover something is now so transparent to the user. File management becomes a huge benefit rather than a burden. Now see all this in more detail in the next coming videos. Some people say engineers are antisocial, quiet types. Well, I say nay. The design and engineering process is an incredibly social exercise where everyone seems to have an opinion and decisions impact multiple stakeholders. Design is a series of decisions that require you to have access to all the right information at the right time to make a more informed decision. Capturing that information, well, that's not always so easy. Fusion 360 was designed from the ground up to help designers, engineers, manufacturers, and customers collaborate on projects untethered from the file exchange, version, translation, upload, download headache that puts the brakes on any gains made from 3D modeling alone. The advantages to using Fusion 360 for collaboration are so obvious, it's hard to imagine continuing to execute on projects in any other way. It would be like going back to email to keep up with your friends rather than using social media. Why shouldn't you expect the same immediate nature of communication in the tools you stake your professional reputation on? Fusion 360 ensures you make more informed decisions by giving you a single point of access to discussions, markups, and previous versions from a desktop, browser, or mobile device. Yes, access to project information anywhere, anytime, on any device. Now see all this and more in more detail in the next videos.
Many design challenges can be tackled in a virtual environment, but others are best addressed with a more tactile approach. The feel of a grip, the ergonomics of a control, or the comfort of an armrest cannot be fully understood without a physical prototype. That's just one of many areas where 3D printing and additive manufacturing are making inroads in the design world. To be able to take your design from the screen to your hands in a matter of hours can be priceless to capture the real feel of a design. With Fusion 360, you know you're getting a proven design tool. But did you also know that it includes a powerful and integrated 3D print preparation module? With this, you can define your machine, orient the part, add a variety of supports, and create those toolpaths. And with it integrated in the same tool you use for design, you'll avoid unnecessary print prep rework that might come with a design change. All this and more in Fusion 360. With traditional design, manufacturing considerations and part durability are often an afterthought. This common oversight leads to high-cost, late-stage design changes that can cause missed deadlines and late delivery. Generative design, on the other hand, puts those constraints at the forefront. Users define material type, manufacturing method, and performance criteria, which are all used concurrently in synthesizing a wide array of solutions with cloud solving. With the results returned, the designer can explore with filters, plots, visualizations, and can even compare outputs side by side. From there, the determination is made with confidence thanks to the plethora of performance data of each solution. The exported solution is a sculptable, editable, watertight solid body with design history. This opens up downstream fine-tuning, additional simulation checks, and toolpath creation. Come see how you can take your designs to a whole new level with generative design. All this and more in Fusion 360. In the past, simulation software was so costly and difficult to use that only specialized analysts had the know-how to navigate the minutiae. That's not the case anymore. Now, anyone using Fusion 360 has access to the same powerful but simple-to-use finite element analysis tools at a fraction of the price. With access to these capabilities, designers will gain crucial insights into the performance of their designs early in the process, helping ensure the right design decisions are made at every turn. The integrated simulation workspace ensures seamless handoffs to and from the design and provides a laundry list of simulation types. This allows users the ability to test for a wide variety of situations, whether that be static loads, thermal loads, pressure, or impacts. Fusion has all of this and more. Model prep is made elementary with the Simplify workspace, and automated contacts and mesh adaptations take stress off the user's shoulders. Even solving has been transformed with Fusion 360's cloud solving capabilities. No more waiting for each study to solve before you can do anything else. You can continue to design, render, or create, and simultaneously solve new simulations for other critical loading situations. Then, when the results are in, use the Compare workspace to determine the right direction to take the design. Fusion 360 is the most comprehensive cloud-based product innovation platform on the market, providing designers the tools they need to make more informed decisions faster. All this and more in Fusion 360. A design's not really done until it's been properly documented. With Fusion 360, you can document your designs with 2D drawings, renderings, and multi-step animations. Rapidly create those 2D drawings from any model, assembly, or animation in your Fusion project. Quickly lay out views, create section views, add dimensions, notes, tolerances, and custom properties on the title block. Just as easily create a parts list, lay out the balloons, and align them to create a production-ready assembly drawing. On the other hand, renderings are the quickest path to high-quality imagery. Aided by an extensive material library, realistic camera settings, and a variety of environments, backgrounds, and lighting options, it'll be no time before you start ray tracing locally or on the cloud. For any of those times where a picture just doesn't provide enough detail, look no further than the Animation Workspace to create videos detailing assembly, disassembly, or operation of your designs. And if you jump the gun and a design change occurs after any of these digital assets have been created, not a problem. Fusion 360's integrated workspaces ensure that changes to the model are propagated seamlessly to the related drawings, rendering setups, and animations. All this and more in Fusion 360.
A subscription to Fusion 360 opens the door to a vast array of design, simulation, and manufacturing capabilities to help your business thrive. So what happens when your business grows? Well, Fusion 360 can grow with you, with a range of cost-effective Fusion 360 extensions which can help meet your growing business needs. Unlike APIs, plugins, add-ins, and apps available from the Autodesk App Store, Fusion 360 extensions unlock more advanced design and manufacturing technology which is fully integrated into the Fusion 360 environment. To help discover new designs that reduce weight, increase structural integrity, and extend durability, there's the Generative Design extension, which harnesses the power of machine learning and artificial intelligence, letting you explore unlimited ideas which are optimized for specific materials and manufacturing techniques. To boost the CNC machining capabilities of Fusion 360, the machining extension unlocks more advanced 3- and 5-axis CNC machining capabilities, including automated hole drilling and surface finishing techniques, 5-axis collision avoidance, in-cycle probing, and more. And to support the use of metal powder bed fusion machines for additive manufacturing, there's the Additive Build extension, which lets you automatically orient parts and build support structures, as well as generate and visualize additive toolpaths for these machines. Fusion 360 Extension Access is flexible. Each extension can be purchased individually or together, either inside Fusion 360 itself, via the eStore, or from your salesperson. eStore purchases can be made with a range of payment options, with an additional option to use Autodesk Cloud credits from within Fusion 360. And because it's flexible, access can be on a yearly subscription or shorter terms, such as on a monthly basis, letting you add or remove more users if your business demands change throughout the year. So whether you want to increase your design productivity, boost your machining capability, or print high-value metal additive parts, Fusion 360 extensions will give you the advanced technology and flexible access you require today, as well as continuing to grow to meet your business needs in the future.
Caranya gampang banget nih guys. Pertama, kita buka browser. Kemudian kita tulis Fusion 360. Oke, kita pencet. Tunggu sebentar. Nah, lihat di sini ada Fusion 360 ya, guys. Nah, kemudian kita kan di sini adanya subscribe sama trial. Kita ke plan and pricing, guys. Oke, kalian kalau bisa lihat di sini ya, untuk subscribe-nya itu ada macam-macam, ada yang per bulan, ada yang per tahun, ada yang custom. Tapi kita nggak akan pakai yang ini karena ini bayar. Bisa gratis sih, tapi cuman 30 hari. Nah, kita lanjut terus ke bawah, ke bawah, ke bawah. Ini ekstensi ya, guys. Ini untuk tambahan di Fusion, aplikasi Fusion. Kemudian lanjut lagi ke bawah. Nah, kita lihat di sini hobbies, startup, student, dan kolaborator. Additional Fusion 360 offering. Nah, jadi di sini si Fusion 360 ini memberikan penawaran seperti ini. Ada berapa nih? Ada 4 macam. Yang gratis 3. Yang pertama Fusion 360 untuk personal dan hobby use. Jadi di sini kita bisa mendapatkan gratis. Ya, yang diperlukan adalah kualifikasi. Ya, ada kualifikasinya. Kemudian ada juga Fusion 360 untuk startup. Di sini yang dibutuhkan aplikasinya. Saya nggak tahu ini kayak gimana. Soalnya saya belum pernah nyoba yang ini. Dan kemudian di sini ada Fusion 360 for educational use. Nah, ini saya udah pernah sih. Ini butuhkan validasi dari kampus kalian. Kampus atau apa ya? Ya, pokoknya tempat kalian belajar gitu ya. Di sini saya dulu udah pernah pakai yang educational use ya. Tapi sudah habis lisensinya karena cuman bisa 1 tahun. Kemudian akhirnya saya download yang Fusion 360 for personal use atau hobby use. Nah, di sini. Oke, sekarang kita langsung saja pencet learn more. Oke, sabar loading, guys. Nah, di sini bisa chat, CAD, CAM, dan PCB software. Nah, ini. Oke, dapatkan akses ke Fusion 360 untuk penggunaan individu, termasuk standar fitur untuk di rumah sama non-komersial project ya. Oke, kemudian di sini nih kalian bisa pencet yang ini ada perbedaannya nih. Ada perbedaannya. Fusion 360 sini sama Fusion 360 yang berbayar ya, guys. Oke. Di sini ada standar design and 3D modeling tool. Ini ada standar design and 3D modeling tool plus full feature CAM, CAE dan PCB development platform. Kemudian di sini ada maksimal nih, limit CAM. CAM itu apa ya? Manufacturing kali ya. Fungsionalnya itu ada 2 sampai 3 aksis milling, bisa buat milling. Adaptive clearing, turning, FFF. Nah, ini saya nggak ngerti. Terus ada water jet, laser cutter sama plasma cutter. Jadi kalau nggak salah sih kalau gua lihat di YouTube itu si Fusion 360 ini bisa jadi apa ya? Software untuk gerakin water jet atau laser cutter atau plasma cutter yang kita punya. Nah, sedangkan kalau untuk yang berbayarnya ya jelas ya, sini lebih banyak fiturnya. Oke, di sini ada single user data management only. Jadi di Fusion 360 ini hanya bisa mengaktifkan 10 dokumen yang bisa diedit. Tapi tenang aja, 10 dokumen itu kita bisa atur-atur. Jadi misalnya kalian nih pertama edit dokumen A. Nah, habis itu kalian bisa, kalau udah nggak dipakai bisa dimatiin tuh dokumen A gitu. Jadi nanti masih ada 10 lagi sisanya slotnya kayak gitu. Jadi walaupun 10 aktif ini, jadi kita atur dulu nih, misalnya kalian punya 20 file, kalian atur dulu 10 file yang mau diaktifin yang mana aja kayak gitu. Nanti kalau misalnya 10 file yang itu ternyata udah nggak dipakai, ya tinggal di aktifin 10 file yang lainnya. Jadi bukan kalian cuma bisa bikin 10 dokumen ya, bukan. Oke, di sini bisa juga ada elektronik sama PCB design. Nah, di sini terbatas, hanya bisa 2 skematik sama 2 layer. 80 cm persegi board area. Ini unlimited board area. Tapi 80 cm persegi board area udah lumayan gede juga ya. Oke, kemudian 80 cm. Oh ya, 80 cm persegi itu berarti bisa aja 8 cm kayak 10 cm. Nah, itu udah lumayan gede sih menurut gua untuk desain PCB. Oke, kemudian di sini ini drawingnya cuman bisa single sheet dan di print doang. Kalau ini multi sheet, ekspornya bisa macam-macam, bisa ada company template-nya. Oke, kemudian di sini ada forum support, local render, ini lokal dan cloud rendering. Di sini 11 export file tipe, 16 file X tipe. Oh, ini ada perbedaan nih. 11 cuman Fusion, F3Z itu apa ya? FDX, YAM, IPT, ya kalian bisa lihat di sini lebih banyak. Oke, kemudian di sini import filenya juga lebih sedikit sih. Di sini lebih banyak. Tapi menurut gua yang gratis ini untuk hobbyis atau personal use ini udah lumayan lengkap gitu fiturnya, karena gua sendiri pakai ya untuk project-project gua. Coba kita pencet lagi get start. Nah, di sini kalian bisa isi dulu nih. Nah, kalian isi dulu email segala macam untuk downloadnya. Setelah kalian isi, nah nanti kalian tinggal pencet next kayak gitu. Nanti bisa deh langsung download. Oke, ini sebenarnya gue udah daftar. Coba aja ya. Masih bisa nggak ya untuk nunjukin. Oh ya, sorry, ini 8. Oke, coba kita next. Tapi gue udah daftar sih. Bisa nggak? Next. Nah, kalau kalian udah daftar, nanti kalian bisa download di sini, di bagian sini, ya. Tinggal download nih. Tinggal download, kemudian langsung install. Gimana? Gampang kan? Kalian syaratnya cuma itu doang. Nama, email, kode pos, nomor telepon. Udah, itu doang. Gampang sekali. Oke, sekarang kita akan lanjut ke dalam Fusion 360 yang personal use-nya ya. Oke, ini adalah bagian dalam dari si Fusion 360 personal, not for commercial use. Ya, lihat sini, sorry. Kenapa jadi kecil? Nah, Autodesk Fusion 360 personal, not for commercial use. Nah, ini yang mau gua kasih tahu tadi 10 dokumen yang tadi. Kapasitasnya untuk ngeditnya tuh ada 10 editable Fusion 360 dokumen. Gitu. Nah, tenang aja, tapi kalau untuk mengaturnya kita ke sini, my editable document. Nih, misal ya, nih gua punya beberapa dokumen nih. Ya kan, ada banyak. Oke, sekarang ini gua bikin read only. Read only. Oke, tuh. Jadi 6/10. Kapasitas kita bisa banyak. Tapi nanti kalau mau diaktifin, kita bisa aktifin. Caranya kita ke buka aja dulu filenya. Oke, ntar. Ini misalnya dudukan paku V2 ya. Kita jadi read only dulu. Make read only. Oke, sekarang kalau mau aktifin kembali, kita buka filenya, open hard industry pesanan. Coba kita buka. Bar dulu guys, ini agak lama karena laptop kentang. Nah, ini ada read only. Nah, sekarang kita bisa bikin editable. Bisa deh kita edit. Nih, kalau nggak percaya, tuh, bisa kan diedit kayak gitu. Oke, tadi nyontohin doang ya. Kita buka ini, kita close lagi. Kita ke editable. Nah, ini kan tadi dudukan paku ya, tuh jadi editable. Kita mau matiin read only. Begitupun sisanya. Jadi kita bisa atur file mana aja mau bisa kita edit, file mana aja yang kita bikin read only dulu. Jadi walaupun udah di read only, kalian tetap bisa diedit. Nah, kemudian seperti yang tadi sudah dijelaskan di webnya ya, di web itu ada perbedaan antara yang untuk personal use sama untuk yang berbayar. Jelas dong, mereka nggak mau rugi dong kayak gitu ya. Nah, di sini berbedanya, di sini nggak bisa ada fitur generative design, nggak ada. Di sini simulasi juga nggak ada. Jadi adanya cuman desain, render, animasi, manufaktur, dan drawing. Nah, terus mungkin kalian nanya, di mana ininya bikin PCB-nya? Oke, bikin PCB dia di sini nih, di electronic design. Tada. Nah, ini layout buat PCB kayak gitu. Tapi kalau gue sendiri sih jujur lebih enak bikin PCB-nya di Eagle dulu, baru dari Eagle diekspor buat Fusion 360 kayak gitu. Jadi gue biasanya bikin PCB nggak langsung di Eagle, tapi nggak langsung di Fusion 360, tapi biasanya di Eagle. Sebenarnya kalau misalnya kalian sudah daftar yang personal lisensi, saat masuk Eagle-nya jadi premium loh, kayak gitu. Nanti mungkin di video berikutnya lah gue jelasin. Nah, ini kan tadi apa? Drawing ya, electronic library coba. Nah, di sini tuh banyak tuh. Create new device, create new package, open library manager. Nah, tuh banyak banget kayak gitu. Coba kita tambahin create new footprint, create new package, create new device. Gimana cara namanya? Ya nantilah gue ajarin. Gue juga soalnya seperti gue bilang, gue biasanya kalau desain PCB itu di Eagle, nggak dari Fusion 360 langsung, tapi dari Eagle bisa diekspor ke Fusion 360 sehingga lebih enak jika kita bikin casing atau body apapun itulah, karena PCB-nya sudah ada gitu. Ini gue close dulu ya. Nggak close. Nah, sabar. Oke. Nah, itu dia guys, tadi perbedaannya. Di sini, oh ya, untuk Fusion di sini ada Solid, Surface, Sheet Metal, Tools. Ya, nanti mungkin bisa lah nggak gua ajarin sih, lebih tepatnya nanti kita akan coba belajar bareng ya. Belajar bareng menggunakan Autodesk Fusion 360 yang personal. Yang ya walaupun fitur terbatas tapi ini lumayan ya untuk kamu yang ingin mencoba desain yang sekelas industri. Oh, ini bisa juga loh guys buat 3D print. Tuh. Ya nanti kita bahas. Pokoknya nanti kita bahas ya. Nanti kita akan bikin lah ya. Bukan tutorial, belajar bareng Fusion 360. Karena gue juga masih newbie. Gue akui gue belum jago. Nah, di sini tuh tadi drawing udah tadi ya, 3D print, share, view. Ya kayak gini lah. Ini share-nya nggak bisa ya. Kan tadi karena kita yang gratis. Oh iya, untuk Fusion 360 ini yang personal itu kita bisa mendapatkan gratis selama 1 tahun guys. Jadi kalau menurut gua nih ya, kalau kalian yang mau coba-coba mulai masuk desain 3D, Fusion 360 itu recommended sih. Karena kita nggak perlu nge-crack juga, dan ini caranya 100% legal ya. Kita cuma daftarin nama kita, email, nomor HP, udah, nanti kita bisa download selama 1 tahun gratis kayak gitu. Dan jika kalian masih belum puas, ya mungkin kalian bisa bikin email baru untuk dapetin lagi, untuk mendapatkan lisensinya lagi selama 1 tahun. Tapi kalau misalnya kalian udah jago gitu ya, udah menghasilkan, alangkah baiknya kalian subscribe aja gitu ya. Selama setahunnya itu berapa ya tadi? Saya lupa. Agar kalian juga bisa nih nanti bisa generative design, bisa simulasi juga kayak gitu ya. Kalau kalian udah expert. Tapi kalau masih coba-coba ya nggak apa-apa, kita pakai yang personal gitu. Oke guys. Jadi itu tadi adalah bagaimana cara mendownload Fusion 360 tanpa crack ya. Dan juga tadi saya sampaikan beberapa fitur utama dalam Fusion 360 dan juga tadi perbedaan antara Fusion 360 yang berbayar dan yang free atau yang personal lisensi. Bagaimana menurut kalian? Apakah kalian akan download atau untuk sekarang, untuk aplikasi desain 3D kalian pakai apa? Silahkan isi komentar di bawah ya. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe. Dan juga jangan lupa share video ini ke teman kalian. Siapa tahu teman kalian ada juga yang ingin mendownload Fusion 360 secara gratis tanpa crack. Oke, sampai jumpa pada video selanjutnya. Bye-bye.